Sis, aray lang kayo mo, raglami-lami na sis, oh.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Nagaon sa sila. Hindi naman siya mumulitin, eh.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
Balikon ta. Sobrang lang na.
Okay.
Unsa mo din?
Ako pala, sir.
Okay.
Paano kayo, Bish?
Unsa mo din nga bakla man sa
Hello guys, welcome to my Minecraft Let's
bakla man dito, bish. Ay, balo. Bisayang niya kabuha ko, bish. Sayang mo siya bagay. Asa man mo? Namo man nakim eh.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Dili mo siya mo. Gwapo ra ba unta? Sayang. Nagaon sa ka sila. Tara, balikon ta. Okay mo. Rika. Mo din niyo eh, bakla man sad ko. Bakla dito bis. Magnyakit. Laki bis. Hi guys! Salamat sa inyo pagtanaw sa akong video. So, paliw ko kan like, comment, and share. And subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka mo sa next video namin. So ina lang.
So guys, like for more videos and funny.
So ina lang.
Love this guys.
So ina lang amon ko namon last na video. So bago na pa min kung unsa mon next video nga sunod na buhaton. Last na di ay mo last ni na video. Salamat.
This is a final part guys. So, ampi ka mo guys. Bye bye.